During 2020, I found out that I have avascular necrosis. I used to have a lot of difficulty walking, and I had issues like pain issues in my hip as well. So initially I went to the orthopedic doctor. They said that everything is fine. They gave me some painkiller medicine. But later on I saw that my condition is not improving. When I went to the physiotherapist, they confirmed that with the MRI report that I have avascular necrosis, and eventually I'll need a hip joint replacement. And when I found out that I had AVN, it was already in stage 3, so that means it was quite, the disease has quite progressed a lot, and I had no other option but to get a hip replacement surgery. So I started looking for options in India. A lot of people said that Bangalore is a very nice city to get the operation done, because there are a lot of professional doctors over here who have lots of experience in this surgery.
He noticed that the pain, which initially started only on long walks, became very regular. Over the next 4 years, it increased to such an extent that he could not walk even a few steps without pain. We did X-rays, which showed there was some cysts in the ball of the hip joint. We did an MRI, which was the definitive scan here, to stage the issue. It was found that he was having an issue which is called as the avascular necrosis of the hip joint, which essentially means that the blood supply to the ball of the left hip was not good. The stage was stage 3, which indicated that there was a collapse of the femoral head, which was very subtle and appreciated only on the MRI scans and not much on the X-rays. So we counsel him that at this stage the best treatment would be total hip replacement, which would ensure that his mobility and would be increased and the pain would not be there after surgery. We also discussed him the options, which is either the conventional technique or the robotic technology which can be used. He readily agreed for the robotic hip replacement, which we performed soon after. The surgery went well, and within a couple of weeks now he's being able to walk with the help of a stick, and sometimes even without support.
So far, I'm happy with the outcome of the operation. It's only been 3 weeks now. It hasn't been a month. I am able to get up and get down on my own, but I still need the help of a walker or crutches to walk. So I'm hoping that after that 3 months period, I will be totally pain-free, and hopefully I can get back to work without any distractions and lead a normal and healthy life. Thank you.